A little off-roading. Whoosh. JCUTMoto Off-Road Adventures. Whoop, 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 whoop. JCUTMoto. Hello everyone, this is your boy JCUTMoto coming at you at Hindang Leyte. Yes, this is Hindang Leyte right here, and it's around 5 p.m. in the afternoon, and we're going somewhere. Hopefully we can still manage to get to Bato, Leyte, a place called Tagaytay, to get a footage. Yes, an aerial footage of the place, together with this bad boy right here, the Honda Click 125i, because I'm gonna be releasing soon a review of this bike, and I'm gonna capture a little bit of aerial footage. So I'm going to Bato later, and it would be a lot better if there's still light reaching that area. So it's kind of busy right now here because it's 5 p.m. Students and people are going out of their school and going home. That is why traffic. I know this isn't the traffic that people from Luzon and people from Cebu are used to. This is way less traffic, but I get impatient sometimes dealing with this kind of thing. Anyway, let's be patient. Dali abay, hapit na sunset. Bye. So the good thing about a scooter when it comes to traffic is that you don't have to deal with transmission. You can just simply throttle up and down, and then you're good to go, and brake, of course. Let's talk about changing oil. What's the purpose of your oil in your engine? Of course, oil keeps your engine lubricated while it's running. So without the oil, your engine will surely break. So that's the purpose of oil. So it's a good practice when it comes to oil, changing oil. Excuse me, I'm having a party. The changing oil, you should change regularly. If you're going to ask me, I do change my oil every month or every 1,000 kilometers. So this is what happened yesterday right here. There's an accident. So that is why there were a lot of ambulance going back and forth. That's the reason. I think we're not going to make it since it's getting a little dark. So I'll probably be flying my drone here. But I think we can still manage to go there. So changing my mind, go ahead and proceed to Bato. The sun is still up there. For me, I change oil every 1,000 kilometers or every month. That's what I do. As far as the oil that I am using, I am just using the prescribed oil. You can check on your manual. There is this system of naming of oils. There's this 10W50, 10W40, 10W30. So you can disregard the first part, the 10W or 20W or 5W. You can disregard that part because that's only applicable to countries in which they have this called winter. That's why the word or the letter W is there. So you can disregard it. Since here in the Philippines we only have rainy and summer. You can check on your manual regarding the prescribed oil. So 40, 50 or 30, the higher the number, that means the higher the viscosity of the oil, or the more it is advised for hot weather sa maiinit na lugar. So if, for example, between 40 and 50 is more advisable if you are in a very hot weather, especially if you are mostly doing long rides and it's hot. So 50 is more advisable than 40. Other than that, you can just stick to 40. So there are different beliefs when it comes to changing oil. Now, there are people who uses a much expensive oil, while others just use the ordinary ones. As for myself, I am using just an ordinary oil. You can buy it around 200 pesos. So I am using this analogy of clothes or shirts. Oil is like wearing a shirt. What I believe is you can buy a murang shirt shirt, yet you're changing it every day, then you can still look good and smell good because you're changing it regularly. This is just my opinion. You can express your opinion in the comment section, but using expensive oil and then changing it every or for an extended period of time is not my thing. Kanya-kanyang paniniwala tayo dyan, but that's for me. So that's about it. I'm still here in Hilongos. I hope my audio is still working fine. We have 6 kilometers to go. Excuse me, let me overtake. So by the way, we're going off-roading today, as what I've said earlier. Dogs, look at those dogs. Dogs, dogs, dogs. Dogs, 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 dogs. Dogs, dogs, dogs. If you haven't watched my previous motovlog, I guess it was the 5th motovlog, I brought my dog Coco with this scooter right here. I put my dog in the footboard and we went to the vet clinic. So excuse me, we're almost in Bato, Leyte, and hopefully the sun's still out tomorrow. Every bit of Bobby till tomorrow. There'll be sun. Maling lyrics by JCUTMoto. Excuse me. Hi ate. Nag-text ka na ate, oy. So this is a corner right here. When it comes to off-roading, it's not really or scooters are not really advisable for off-roading. But still, we'll try. Mabuti na yung sumubok at nabigo kaysa hindi talaga sumubok. It's better to try and fail than fail to try, right? Another words of wisdom by JCUTMoto. Oh. Excuse me, Lolo and Lola. Excuse me, Lo. Oy, do not cross. Flashing headlight. One thing about this click, that was a click right there, is that the headlight, even if it's low beam, still is somewhat masakit sa mata. That's one thing about click. We're almost there. Hopefully there's still sun. Otherwise, it would be failed attempt. Ang dami na talagang sniper sa balat ng lupa. Everywhere I can see Sniper 150. Yamaha is doing a good job promoting their bikes. And of course, people like us who are into riding also promotes their bike. Because as we ride and as we go to places, more and more people will see their bikes or bikes like Sniper, Raider, RS150. People will see those bikes and then they'll see, oy, maganda pala yung bike na yun kasi usually yun yung ginagamit ng mga riders. So that's the thing about riding. We are in a way promoting their bikes. Still have sunset. Oh, we still have sun right there. Woohoo! What happened? I think there's an accident right there. What the heck? Oh. That motorbike right there went to that rice field for a swim. I hope nobody was hurt. Baka lasing yung nagdadrive. That's usually the case. Well, anyway, we still have a mission to accomplish. That's why we're riding faster this time, but not as fast as I would like to, because I don't have a protective gear except my helmet and my gloves. And I'm wearing a short right now, so this is just a short ride because I'm wearing a short. What a joke. Anyway, we are entering the place called Tagaytay. The road here is a little bit narrow and it's getting a little dark, and hopefully we can still get a good shot, aerial shot. But my humps. Another hump right there. Loose gravel and sand. Careful, careful. This is a twisty right here. Apir. Apir. Ana. Having a little fun right there. Yeah. Yep, that sunset right there is pretty much what I need to see. So let's take a right turn right here. Boom. A little off-roading. Excuse me. And that sunset right there. A little off-roading. JCUTMoto off-road adventures. This is a place called Tagaytay here in Bato, Leyte. Careful, careful. That sunset right there. So I'll be flying my drone right here. So this is about it. This is your boy JCUTMoto. Bye bye.